Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so kindly subscribe it. So let's move to the topic. We have topic of insert a word count function into your MS Word document. So how we can do it? You have to just open the Word document. Here it is, as you can see, and there is some paragraph has been written on it. So you have to just go to the top of the paragraph, and at here you have to go to insert tab, and in insert tab we are already on insert tab, and in insert tab you have to just go to the quick parts, drag it down and click on fields option, and in fields option you have to find document property. In the field names, as you can see, here is the document property I have selected, and in document property we have to select the words option. As you can see, here is the word, so you have to just select it and click on OK. So here you can see total 109 words have been written in this paragraph. So if I want to write something more, like, as you can see, the word is count is not changing automatically. So when you write something, as I am writing, so after written, you have to just go to the word count and select this word count, and you have to right click on it and click on update field. When you click on update field, it is showing 109, and then you have to right click on it, and when you click on update field, here it is 1118. So 9 words have added more. So if you are adding one to something more, so as you can see, you have to just go to the word count and you have to just right click on it and click on update field. As you can see, it is now 119. So here is the fix. So you, if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.